This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 114. Identity after survival. Who you become when protection ends. During long survival phases, identity often organizes around coping. Being strong, being careful, being resilient. These roles help the system function under pressure. But when survival pressure decreases, something unexpected can happen. Identity begins to shift. The roles that once protected the system may no longer define it. New questions appear. What matters now? What do I want? Who am I without constant pressure? This phase can feel uncertain, but it is also creative. The nervous system is no longer organizing identity around protection. It begins organizing identity around possibility. A new sense of self gradually forms. Next episode. Why patience becomes a biological skill. Thank you.